I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our video. This is a math video. We're going to be focusing on the first lesson in our subtraction unit. The skill we're looking at is called taking away using pictures. Let's get started.
All right, my friends, let me read the essential question by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. How can you show taking from with pictures? Read it with me this time. How can you show taking from with pictures? What should we do? Penny, what should we do now? Penny says we need to write an I can statement. She's right. All right, my friends, what is the rule about that little word I? Yeah, the little word I has always got to start with a capital letter. I, can, k, and. Can you sound that out? K, and. What do you hear? Yes. C-A-N. Show. It's right up here. I can borrow it. S-H-O-O-W. Taking. And again, my friends, I can borrow it if I don't know how to spell the word. T-A-K-I-N-G. Taking from. F-R-O-M. With. I like this word because it's spelled like it sounds. If. W-I. What two letters go? Yeah, it's T-H. With pictures. And I'm going to borrow it. It's right up here. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S. And what goes at the end of my statement, my friends? Yeah, we need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. I can show taking from with pictures. Read it with me this time. I can show taking from with pictures. Now, my friends, you should be asking yourself something. Yeah, that's what you should be asking. What does that mean? Well, that means that I can look at a picture and figure out which part of it they're taking away to know the answer. We are actually working on subtraction, my friends. So if I picked up all five of my dry erase markers and I said I was going to take away 2, how many markers would I have left? Yeah, I'd have 3 markers left. You just used your eyes to help you subtract. What you did, my friends, was 5 minus 2 equals 3. Kind of cool, right? Let's give it a try. All right, my friends, here's our first picture that we're going to use to solve a subtraction problem. So let me tell you the story that goes with this picture. There are 4 children playing in the playground. Yeah, I know, it sounds like fun. So there are 4 children playing in the playground, and then 2 of them have to walk away. So we're starting with 4 children, and then 2 of them have to walk away. So if we were going to treat this like a word problem, my friends, I would say we started with 4, because you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We started with 4, and then 2 children, let's say these 2 children, they are going to walk away. They're going to walk away. So our change is that 2 children are leaving, are walking away. So if they're walking away, my friends, are we going to be adding or subtracting to show walking away? Taking from. Yeah, we're going to be subtracting. And then my friends, I asked you how many children are still at the playground. So I'm going to cross these 2 children out, and we've got to figure out our end. And that's the thing we don't know. Penny, what do we call the thing we don't know? Penny says the thing we don't know is called the variable, and she's right. So this is what we've got to figure out, my friends. We started with 4, and then 2 went away, and I want to know how many children are left at the playground after 2 children leave. What do you think? Let's write a number sentence. 4 minus 2 is going to equal something. Now, you know me. I love to draw a quick pick, but they already gave us a picture, so I don't have to. How many children are still at the park? Yeah, it's right here. 1, 2. We still have 2 children at the park. Let's count it again. Ready? 1, 2. So what is the difference of 4 minus 2?
Yeah, the difference of 4 minus 2 is 2.
Oh, I see some people are confused. That word difference? Penny, what's a difference? Penny says the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So whatever you have left over after you subtract, that's the difference. Let's try another one. All right, my friends, here's our next problem. Let me read it to you first, and then you read it with me the second time.
There are 6 bugs and 2 crawl away. How many bugs are left?
Read it with me this time.
There are 6 bugs and 2 crawl away. How many bugs are left?
What should we do? Penny? Oh, hi, Riley. You're helping? What should we do, Penny and Riley? Penny and Riley say we need to figure out what our start, our change, and our end is, and then we can write a number sentence and we can solve it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Let's do it, my friends.
So, how many bugs do we start off with? What's our start?
Yeah, we're starting with 6 bugs. So we're going to start with 6 bugs. And look at our picture. They gave us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We started with 6 bugs. And, oh, I found it. And 2 crawl away. So our change is going to be 2. And my friends, think about the problem. If we're starting with 6, and then 2 are going to crawl away, how are we adding or subtracting? We started with 6 and 2 crawl away. Are we adding or subtracting? Are we taking away? Yeah, we're taking away, so we are subtracting. How many bugs are left? Now, how many bugs are left, my friends, is math language that we don't know how many bugs we have left.
That's our job to figure it out. What do we call the thing we don't know? Yeah, it's the variable. You weren't paying attention.
Fantastic, my friends. So we know we start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know 2 crawl away. So I'm going to circle the 2, and I'm going to cross them out so I know they're not there anymore.
Whatever is left is our end. Oh, you know. I like that you know. Let's write a number sentence real quick before you solve it.
So we've got 6, take away 2,
Or minus 2. Both are right. You can say it both ways, my friends.
and what do we get when we start with 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And we take away, subtract 2.
Yeah, look right here, my friends. We get 1, 2, 3, 4.
As our difference. And remember, the difference is the answer when you subtract.
Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So what is the difference of 6 minus 2?
Correct. The difference is 4.
Let's try another one. All right, my friends, here's our next problem. Let me read it by myself the first time and you read it with me the second.
There are 9 stars. 3 go away. How many stars are left?
Read it with me this time.
There are 9 stars. 3 go away. How many stars are left?
All right, my friends, before we break the problem down, I want you to pause the video and see if you can solve it by yourself. Remember what we know. You know how much we start with, you know our change, and you know our end. See what you can do with that information. When you think you've got it, hit play.
All right, my friends, let's go through it. So let's break the problem down. There are 9 stars. So we are starting with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good, our picture matches.
And 3 go away. And 3 go away. So our start is 9 and our change is 3.
Now, my friends, you know what, let me ask Penny. Penny, if 3 go away, are we adding or subtracting? Penny says we're subtracting.
So if things go away, we're subtracting. How many stars are left? How many stars are left is math language that means
we don't know what we've got at the end, and the thing we don't know is called yes, it's called the variable. All right, my friends, so we've got 9. We've got to take away 3. I'm going to use my picture up here. So that's what it's going to look like. So let's make a number sentence that matches our picture. We're starting with 9. We're going to subtract 3. And then we have to count and see what we're left with. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Help me count it again, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the difference from 9 minus 3? Yes, the difference is 6. We feeling good? All right, my friends, let's do a quick check-in and then we'll do one more problem. Thumbs up, I got it, Mrs. Amodemo. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out, a little practice, and it'll be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thumbs down, Mrs. Amodemo, I'm trying, but not feeling so easy peasy, lemon squeezy about it yet. All right, my friends, thank you for letting me know. Let me erase this and we'll do our last problem. All right, my friends, here's our last problem. Let me read it by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. There are 10 cookies. The kids eat 5. How many cookies are left? Read it with me this time. There are 10 cookies. The kids eat 5. How many cookies are left? Now, my friends, before we break it down, go ahead and pause the video, solve it on your own, and then hit play, and let's see if we agree. All right, my friends, let's break this down. What do we start with? How many cookies? Yeah, we're starting with 10 cookies. So that's my start, my friends. My start is 10. They've got 10 cookies. And they look like they have sprinkles. Then according to this problem, how many cookies get eaten? How many cookies do the kids eat? Yeah, they eat 5. It's right here. So our change is 5. Penny, are we adding 5 or subtracting 5? Penny says we're subtracting 5. How many cookies are left? And that means that we don't know what our end is. Our end is our variable. So we've got 10. Let's do a look at our fingers real quick. We've got 10. 5 get eaten. And we have to figure out how many cookies are left. What's the number sentence for that? Yeah, we've got to do 10 minus 5 is going to equal our difference. And you know, my friends, if they didn't give us a picture, I would totally make a quick pick. But let's use their picture. So we've got to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to circle them. I'm going to cross them out. All right, my friends, that means we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies left. Help me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer, my friends, of 10 minus 5? What's my difference? Yeah, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Easy peasy. You getting it? I hope you're feeling good about this, my friends. Remember, if you get stuck, you can always watch the video again. What, Penny? Penny says I have to take her for a walk, my friends. I'll be right back.
All right, my friends, I hope you liked this video. I hope you felt it was helpful with you practicing your subtraction skills. Remember, you can always use that picture. You can draw one yourself, or if they give you one, you can use the one they make. We'll see you next time. Bye.